What's up everybody, this is Eddie with Flex Machine Tools, and today we're going to show you 5 more things that you need to know about the FlexCNC. The FlexCNC is a large open bed vertical machining center that comes in either a cantilever or gantry style construction. Though the cantilever style allows for more speed in your applications, the gantry style helps facilitate much more rigidity for heavier milling, drilling, and other machining processes. One of the many benefits of the FlexCNC is its ability to house up to 20 tools within your machine. This eliminates manual tool change downtime between applications and gives your operator all the tools they'll need throughout the day. When it comes to spindle options, the FlexCNC provides further convenience by offering Cat 40 and Cat 50 sizings. So whether you need speed, rigidity, or have specific material requirements, we have you covered. To keep your operators safe, the FlexCNC is equipped with a proximity-based safety laser scanner that will gradually slow down and even stop the machine if your operator enters your specific preset safety zones. These zones can even be adjusted according to your specific work environment and safety requirements. With all the chips you'll be making, you'll need a proper built-in solution to handle those chips. That's why the FlexCNC is designed with a special auger that runs the length of the machine and is mechanically driven to push your chips along the bottom channel of the bed, making chip management a breeze. And there you have it, 5 more things on the FlexCNC. For more information, check out our socials or visit us at flexmachinetools.com.